Alright, hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Scotty's Trading. Apologize for a little low energy. This is good though. Um, uh, but again, morning shift, so bear with me. This is the long that I got into yesterday. I don't think it was in the morning. It was later in the day, like in the afternoon, like 4 o'clock or so. No, 3:30. 3:30. I remember it. But so I saw it and I did. And then I got in a little bit later on this one as well. This was in the evening. This was sort of after the daily was still strong. And this is the trade. This is the trade. So stops at just above break even. We'll go to the alley. She's still moving, like moving strong. There's a pullback there. Back to the high that it got to after. I think it was Jeremy Powell was talking about the possibility of he was a little dovish on interest rate rises, and I believe that's chaos. I don't really care. Like I got in based on the technicals, and it really did push. So unrealized, it's not too bad. The pound yen, uh, if I'd really taken that at a 1R, we'd be like, for me, it'd be a pretty crazy um, month so far. So this was from the 17th of January. So see how this goes. I'll review things in gold as well. That's pushed higher. A little disappointed on the OANDA account. I missed gold. Like I had the entry in because I didn't really want to get in a market because the spread at the time was like 14 pips or whatever it was. And I'm like, no, I'm not going to do that because, it had broken out. And I'm like, Scott, let's just remain calm. And I probably should have and just copped it. But I guess in the back of my mind, I've taken a couple losses and everything, a couple break evens. It's been a little bit painful. So I have to just be focused on executing the process. And I wasn't really like that. But yeah, let's bring gold up. This again is just above break even with the stop loss. This thing's been running and gunning. Like what was the high got to? 23. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so it's still holding. I mean, that's what it's looking like. So, you know what? I have capital to deploy still. We're both break-even trades. Let's see what the other Aussie dollar pairs doing. I have some water here. I've got a bit of like a dry throat. Okay. All right, that's the Aussie Kiwi. Not particularly attractive. Aussie yen. The Aussie dollar definitely way better than everything else like that. That's the Aussie's not. I guess it's to do with the interest rates. Like it was sort of like planned, and it sounds like the Fed are like, "Wow, let's just sort of we're probably not going to do." And that's when it's unexpected things like that. And thing popped like 40 pips, and I'm like, because I got in the trade in the second position, and I got in the second position on the OANDA account at like 8 o'clock at night, and I went to bed. I took the trade in bed on the phone actually, and I woke up at like 2:15. I'm like, I got changed to work first. I had a shower, got changed, and then saw the phone. I'm like, unexpected. I thought it was just going to float around 72 and not really do much. Like I had no expectations. Um, and then I knew it was coming up the announcement. Did I take the thing before the announcement? I did because technically it was good, and it was seeing things were priced in, and the Aussie was looking like it was trickling up higher. So I'm like, you know what? I'm getting in long. So that's my thought process. Like I don't overanalyze. I don't, I fall in the technicals first. Looks good, I get in because you want the entry to be good for the good risk reward ratio. You don't overthink things, miss it, and then chase it and you're all going crazy. You're looking at this, you're looking at that. So it's not for me. I just sort of can really focus on one thing properly. USD CAD. See, so the US dollar, I mean, is weaker. It's a prevailing theme right now. Yeah, I have to go to sleep. And the pound is weaker as well. So I was talking like last week about going long. There's probably this time last week I was talking about going long on the pound, and I'm not with that now. So when I say things and a few days go by and I don't do anything, I remain flexible. I don't just sort of keep a one-dimensional thought process on. I have to get into this trade. Like that's not how I approach things. USD Swiss also weak. Have a look at the pound. What's the pound doing? Okay, I was looking at the pound. Well, gosh, I mean, the trend's still there, you know. But again, it's dynamic, so just be careful. I'm not going to trade it right now. All right. Look, we go back to the pound. It's the problem that I have is when I'm going quite well, I have a tendency to sort of be like a little too greedy. And I'm just going to wait till London opens at 4 p.m. today and then go from there. That's what I'll say to this. It's still interesting. It's not, I'm not going to disregard this as nothing because it's still holding up. So we'll see. Anyway, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching and bye for now.